In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to create professional, persuasive Amazon product descriptions quickly. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-paste description for wireless Bluetooth earbuds, written in a customer-focused tone that highlights features, benefits, and specs. Start by opening Claude AI in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click New Chat. This gives you a fresh space so Claude can focus on a single task without distractions. In the message box labeled Reply, you'll paste a ready-to-use prompt. This prompt tells Claude exactly what to produce and how to style it. Here's the full prompt to paste. Write an Amazon product description that is engaging, persuasive, and easy to read. Product name: wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Target audience: busy professionals and students who need high-quality audio and portability. Instructions: include a clear headline. Highlight key features and benefits. Mention technical specifications concisely. End with a call to action encouraging purchase. Keep the tone friendly, professional, and customer-focused. Example features to include: long battery life, up to 24 hours, comfortable and secure fit, superior sound quality, quick pairing with devices, water and sweat resistance. After pasting, press Enter to generate the product description. Claude will typically craft a headline, a benefit-driven overview, concise specs, and a call to action. Give it a moment to think and then review the output carefully. Ask yourself, is the headline clear? Are benefits tied directly to the needs of busy professionals and students? Do the specs stay concise without overwhelming the reader? Amazon shoppers skim, so clarity and scannability are key. If the first draft isn't quite right, refine it with a quick follow-up message. You can say, make it shorter, or add more benefits related to commuting and workouts, or adjust the tone to be more professional, depending on what you need. You can also request more detailed examples, like real-life use cases, while keeping the structure intact. Small, specific asks usually produce the best improvements. Once you're happy with the wording, copy the final product description and paste it into your Amazon product listing. Make sure it aligns with your brand voice and that any technical claims are accurate. A strong headline, clean benefit statements, and a confident call to action will help convert skimmers into buyers. That's it. With Claude AI and this prompt, you can produce polished, persuasive Amazon descriptions in minutes. Consistent, on brand, and focused on what customers care about most.